Hello, Millington. That handsome fellow right there, that's me back in high school, long time ago. And it seemed like this past football year was a long time ago, although it just wrapped up last month. And we're going to take a look back at some of the top plays from this past year with the Millington Trojans. It was a fun year, a rewarding year for the Trojans, but it ended a little too early. But there were some great moments that we're going to take a look back. So the Millington Star is ready to do a top 10 countdown. So let's start with number 10.
Down to the 27-yard line, it's a 4-yard gain on the play and a Trojan first down.
Good night. Here's number 9. Wait, this 9.
Three-yard gain, first down 1.
This is almost even. It's almost 8. Wait, that brings us to number 8. Y'all enjoy number 8.
First and goal, Millington. First and 1, Millington.
Number in the whole wide world. Let's take a look at number 7.
Jonathan Clements with the sack.
We're at number 6 already. Let's check out number 6. That's touchdown. He got that in. We're halfway on our countdown, and it's obvious what number 5 is going to be. We're going to go back to Brighton where LaKeron Garcia had 5 touchdowns. So here's number 5. In the great honor of Ric Flair and the 4 Horsemen, number 4. Woo! Our way, we'll take a look at number 3.
We have a flag.
And goodbye. It's just we're gonna take a look at number 2 right now. Number 2. part of our countdown. We're gonna take a look at Uno number 1, and y'all know we're gonna go back to the M&M Bowl with the play number 1.